Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 5 of the angle formed by the two secant lines. And yung angle na na-formed is outside the circle. That's why our formula is angle equals to 1/2 times the difference of the bigger arc and the smaller arc. Okay? Now, given tayo ng ating smaller arc which is 70 degrees and yung angle natin, angle AEB which is 20 degrees. Now, we have to find for the value of x which is our bigger arc. So, to solve for x, let's have our working equation. Since we have here angle, what is the name of our angle? Angle AEB. So, the measure of angle AEB is equal to 1/2 okay, times ano yung bigger arc natin? Yung bigger arc natin, ang name niya is AB. So, the measure of arc AB, okay, minus the smaller arc. Ano yung name ng smaller arc natin? Or yung smaller intercepted arc? We have the measure of arc CD. Okay? Now, what is the measure of angle AEB? Ilan siya? Ayun, 20 degrees. Okay, is equal to, copy natin yung 1/2. And what will be the measure of our arc AB? We have x minus the measure of arc CD which is 17. Okay? Since we know that multiplying this one with 1, ang lalabas pa rin ay x minus 70. Let's just simplify it. So, 20 is equal to x minus 70 over 2. Okay, we have to cross multiply, di ba? 20 over 1 siya. Kasi ang denominator ng whole number ay 1. Then we cross multiply. 20 times 2 is just, correct, 40. Is equal to 1 times this one is still this one. So we have x minus 70. Now, ang kailangan natin yung value lang ni x. Okay, so kailangan ma-isolate siya by transposing, okay, yung negative 70. So, si negative 70, lipat natin sa kabila. From negative, magiging positive na siya. So, magiging 40 plus 70 is equal to x. What is now 40 plus 70? We have, that's right, x is equal to 110. Okay, so this one is 110 degrees. Sisiw naman pala tong problem na to. Comment ka kung sisiw o chicken na. Okay, now you try to solve for this circle, okay? What will be the measure of your arc AB kasi x siya? Given ka ng arc CD which is equal to 80 degrees and your angle AEB which is 55 degrees. Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share na ang video na to. Okay? Bye!